everyone, and welcome to my dining room. Probably doesn't look like a dining room right now because I have so much in my dining room, but I use this room as a boutique and I buy and sell stuff, and I enjoy mostly doing flower arrangements, centerpieces, wreaths, and I'll be doing one today. It's my antique toolbox. I had a Christmas display in it with twinkle lights, and I'll be changing that to a spring or Easter display, and I keep it in front of my fireplace in my living room. So I start off with some foam and I add some dried moss to fill the toolbox with, and I'll be using some artificial ferns to add a lot of filler, and then I'll be using some eucalyptus leaves, and then I'll be adding some white flowers, some driftwood that I had found on the beach. I read that you should disinfect the driftwood, so I boiled it for an hour, and then I baked it in my oven for a couple of hours to dry it out. So it's safe to have in the house. There's no bugs alive in that driftwood and nothing that will be harmful. And then I add a bunny and some eggs, and I hope you like my display.